Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Flashforge Adventurer 3. And to do this we'll need to click on the tools inside all that menu. Here in the top left corner there's network, click on that, then Wi-Fi, make sure that it's enabled and it will scan for all networks available. Here's a list of networks, pick whichever network you want to connect with. Enter the password. And when it's ready, you'll establish internet connection on this printer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.